Hi guys! This is our first channel, so we're gonna talk about vinyls, records. So I just want to say that we're so in love about music. So this content is all about like we hunting the vinyls. We're gonna go to the different towns, different shops, keep looking about the music that we love. So let's introduce myself again. My name is Jimmy, and this is my daughter.
Lula.
Okay, this is Lula. So I'm old already and she's young, so we talk about like music in her generation, my generation, the old guy like me, a daddy Jimmy, and Lula. So she's in love about the electronic music also. So that's our goal, that we're gonna go hunting the vinyl, the records around in the UK. This is the very first episode, so we're gonna go check it out, the shops in London. This is our first time to looking for the vinyl shop in London. The first place will be Sugar Ray, not Sugar Ray, Sister Ray. I was wrong, actually it's Sister Ray. So let's take a look. All right, this is the first one, Sister Ray. It's very nice. Let's take a look. It's a nun.
It's a sister.
Sister. Oh, it's nice. Shall we go downstairs to have a look at the vinyl?
Downstairs?
The vinyls. This is the CD section. Like I said that we so rookies. This is our first time to like going to the master of the vinyl shop in London. It's called Sister Ray's. We probably like they locate that for like 50, 60 years. And this is our first time. What do you think, Lula, that we going to the master of the vinyl stores?
Well, when I first walked in, I actually liked like the decoration.
Yeah, the vibe is good though,
Yeah,
right?
like the shells.
Decoration stuff.
I like the disco.
Oh, yeah.
And I also like that the concept of the like Sister Ray, that it's a nun.
Oh, so the actually the store is not quite big though. I thought like it's out in the YouTube, like so many YouTube talking about Sister Rays, and actually the place is not that big at all. So the first floor is about like CD, and down there is
Vinyl.
the vinyl. One thing that I realized, because we are rookie anyway, so I just realized that when we looking the vinyls, actually it's just a copy, right? I mean just the paper, the sleeve. They don't have a real vinyl inside because maybe
it's a valuable item.
Right. So when you found the one that you like, and then you have to bring it upstairs and give it to the counter that, okay, we want this one. So they will give you the physical records vinyl copy for you, and you pay, which is like, I never know that. It's like a new thing for me.
But actually, Dada didn't even get the second hand. He bought both new records. So it's not actually
That's interesting
OG.
That Lula tell me about, like they have a labels and the name, right? So supposedly like Pet Shop Boy, and if it's like a second hand, they will put the highlight on, like a yellow or pink, whatever, like highlight that this is a second hand. But if it's brand new, it's no highlights. So the first one that we got from Sister Ray, we got the Pet Shop Boys, Behavior. The very famous song is Being Boring, which is like a very beautiful synthesizer sound and stuff. But I want to mention about side B. the side B of this album, the last song, is called Jealousy. Jealousy is very nice and it's good meaning and very sad one. It's very nice. And then we gonna sit down and listen to music together that what the artists give it to us, and basically especially the artwork inside is about like lyrics, the composition about art, so that we love. That's why we fell in love with the vinyl right now. Okay guys, look, this is the sound of the universe. It's look cool, this one. I'm so exciting right now. So look at the color and everything is look good. Oh, they have shirt too. It's kind of fun. All right. I would say that this shop is very nice. The decoration is nice. They have like, okay, this is the music I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love over here. All right. We love it because the decoration, the building, everything is look nice. It look like New York vibe actually. The list selection is quite good though.
I think I was excited to go in there because they showed that there was vintage clothes.
Yeah, they have
on the
like
bottom.
they have a clothes a lot downstairs. They have like lots of selections. They sell not just only vinyls. They have like
books and
clothes.
clothes.
Everything is look interesting over there, and the music is quite good too. They have a lot of jazz, funk, and I got the vinyls from this shop too. It's
Discovery.
Let me show you.
Punk.
Daft Punk.
Not that one. That's homework. Oh.
Yeah, but this one. Yeah, we love this shop. I would say that I'm so exciting about here, and yeah, it's you can see that all the vinyl shop in London is quite like small. It's not that big. Maybe they have a big one, but we didn't go there yet. Okay, so what we got today from the
Sounds of the Universe.
Sound of the Universe, we got this. This is the album that I love it a lot. I will die to have this one. What is the name of the album?
Discovery.
So Discovery is a very famous from Daft Punk. So you know the song already. The favorite. Yeah.
One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright, don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright, don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah.
They have like a music video with the animation. It's very fun. It's called Interstellar 555, which is a very good one. And then I want to talk about the side B again. The side B from Discovery, it's Something About Us, which is a very good meaning. It's a very beautiful song. So I love it so much. I want you guys to have an experience to listen to. Especially for the artwork over here, they have like two discs, not this, I'm sorry, like two vinyl on it. So they have like side one, side A, side B, C and D. So they have like, how many songs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They have like 14 songs. 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They have 14 songs, which is a very nice. So they have two vinyl in here, and then yeah, if you're interested, so we can send to you. And we visit to the last one. It's called Phonica. All right, this is our last shop for today. Let's see what we got. It's pretty cool shop, this one. It's very nice. Oh my god. Lula happy. So Lula, can you talk about the Phonica please?
I think this was the biggest shop that we went into.
Yeah, I agree that.
The design, I think all of the interior design is all really good. Like the person that design the place is nice.
Yeah.
When they made with the decorations.
And the good thing is when you go there and you like the records, you can try it on.
Oh yeah, you can play it
You
there.
can play it, which is nice. And the decoration, they have like a sofa, big sofa in the front. You can sit down and listen to music. And they have like so many selection of house.
There
You
was
can-
5. There was 5
you can like
rows.
keep digging. It's quite fun. Yeah. So thank you very much to come to see us, and then if you can subscribe us, please. We're gonna keep continue doing our experience that going to hunting for the vinyl, and we have like another channel which is like TikTok and Instagram, so we can talk about our vinyl that we got. So next episode we can go like Manchester or Liverpool, whatever country, whatever city that we can go in Europe, and I hope you guys happy with that, and then see you soon.